I dey vex for all of you Igbo people. You see Oba people, some Ndoni people. What's that their name over there? Omoku people, Ndoki. All of you, I know, they still get sense. All of you Igbo community that are in River State, that are saying that they are not Igbo. I'm not happy with all of you. And today, I don't want you to continue to inbox me to tell me this and that. You want to correct me. You cannot correct me. I am an Igbo man. I am from Ndoni and I'm an Igbo man. So, if you know say you are not an Igbo man, I want you to do this. I want to challenge you today. Listen, I vex for all of you. If you know say you are not an Igbo man, remove your footwear anywhere you are. Even if you are in Lagos, if you are in Kaduna, even if you want, be in US, Canada, Germany, UK, I don't care. But if you know say you know be Igbo, and you are from these communities that I mentioned, carry sand where you dey like this. Carry sand for your hand, and call your ancestors. Tell your ancestors they are not Igbo. Tell them that you are not Igbo. There is nothing connecting you with Igbo people at all. Even your culture and tradition are not related to Igbo culture and tradition. Say it, and also make sure you put it that if you are, make you not see tomorrow. And I tell you, Abarakata from your town community will come and visit you. You understand? All of you, I don't know what's wrong with all of you. Your fathers lied to you, and you are lying to yourself. Tomorrow you will also lie to your children, and that story will keep on. We keep circulating and be going. The kids that doesn't know anything, they will hear it. I'm not talking about women, because women, their own is different. They are married into the community. Some of them will marry and go out to their husband's house. But if you're a man, try this and you see. If you see the next day, if you are in overseas, now so they will carry your body come back. You think it's a joke? All of you are fooling yourself on social media, and don't come to my DM again and tell me we are not this, we are this, we are this. I don't want it again. I get out from my